Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at Tide Rescue, and we are going to try to see if this laundry stain remover will actually remove ink from a pair of shorts. So our boys are really rough on their clothes, and so we often use stain remover to see what we can get out. This says it removes wine, grass stains, blood, grease, dirt. We're going to see if we can add ink to this. So not only is this good for removing stains in clothes and things like that, but it also can do carpet, upholstery, and things like that as well. So of course you're going to want to test it on something first. These shorts, if it actually fades the shorts, I'm not super concerned about it. So anyway, what you do with this, you're just going to basically take it, spray it on, and you're going to wait for 5 minutes, and then you're going to launder it just as normal. So you're not doing any scrubbing with it. It doesn't say scrub it, or it says rub it in. I guess that's what you're supposed to do. I mean, you don't want to scrub it too much with fabric because you don't want to fray the fabric and have that, that sort of thing as a problem. So you're just going to kind of rub it in and then wait about 5 minutes and then wash it normally. So we'll see if this works. This is ink and shorts. We're going to make sure we spray on a healthy amount in there, and we'll go from there and we'll show you the results. Okay, so I did apply this about 8 times. I let it sit and every time I did another load of laundry, I just threw these in with that load. So they probably got washed 8 times over the last maybe a couple weeks here, and it finally, after all those attempts, it finally removed the ink from it. So, and as you can see, it's gone. So it does take the ink stains away, and it depends of course on your fabric and how bad and things like that, but this was ink in the pocket and it exploded, and you can see that it's completely gone. You might have to do a bunch of times, but Rescue Stain Remover does remove ink. If you have a pen explode in your shirt or on your shorts, give this a shot. It won't seem like it's going to work, but it does. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time, and super thanks is always welcome. And give it a shot. See if you can get the ink or stains out using your Rescue Laundry Stain Remover.